Hello, Jen Frost here from Good Life Home Watch. I was recently onboarding a new client and a few questions came up that I thought might be helpful to answer for you. The first question that she was asking was, do I leave the water on or shut the water off when I leave my home for an extended period of time? And the quick, simple answer is, if you're able to shut your water off, I highly recommend it, because that's just one less thing that you're gonna have to worry about. Water can damage so many things so quickly, and especially in Florida, it can cause major issues like mold if left unattended. So if you shut your water off and then you do have a problem with the pipe, or you have a problem with the water dispenser on your refrigerator, there's only so much water that's going to be able to come out, right? So whenever possible, definitely shut your water off. Now, I will tell you that when you have a professional home watch company watching your home, one of the things that we do is come in, turn the water on, and flush all your toilets, run all the faucets and sinks, because those are things that are also important to do. If you don't do that, then the water is going to evaporate and you're going to end up with all sorts of gases, bugs get in through there. So if you're going to shut your water off, and even if you're not, make sure you have someone coming in to actually do those things while you're gone. And if you can't shut your water off, because a lot of people have a pool person, or they have a pool and they want to make sure that they leave the water on so that they can fill their pool, then you absolutely need to have a home watch company so that they can check on it and make sure that nothing has gone on that can cause a problem, right? So that was the first question. The second question was, what temperature do I leave my air conditioning at? And this, again, is going to vary depending on your situation, whether you're in a condo or a townhome or a home. There's just different factors that you want to consider for this, but as a general rule, between 77 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit is where you want to leave your temperature. The main goal of your air conditioner while you're away is to whisk out the moisture from the air, because as we know, the moisture is what's going to cause the mold, and we don't want mold in your house. So as long as the air conditioning is working, it's whisking the moisture out. It doesn't need to be a temperature that you can sit in your house and watch TV, because you're not going to be there, but it has to be at a temperature that's going to keep the humidity around 50%. So that's another important factor. And then the third question that I wanted to answer for you today is, what else can you do for me as a home watch company? And that is, there's so many things we can do to help. And we do offer concierge services here at Good Life Home Watch. Those are special just for our home watch clients. And what we do can be anything from stocking the fridge before you get back, to meeting that plumber if there is a problem, to just arranging for different property care that you may have, meeting the air conditioning guy, or getting something painted, or making sure that the seawall is getting repaired. Whatever it is, we're your boots on the ground that can help you just make sure that your home stays in as good a condition or better than when you left it. Hope that's been helpful. Have a great day.